Alright guys, let me show you how I make this zucchini pasta. Simple, tasty and honestly way easier than it looks. So first thing first, I put my pan on the stove and let it dry itself like it just came out of the shower. Start chopping my onions, try not to cry, of course, because we are strong over here. I add my olive oil, then I chop up my garlic real quick. The faster I chop, the more chef-like I feel. As soon as I finish, boom, onion go into the pan. I stir them around like I actually know what I'm doing. Then in goes the garlic. The kitchen is already smelling like someone who cooks every day, which I don't, but we move. Next, I take my zucchini and slice it directly into the pan. No time to waste. Chef on a mission. I use 3 zucchini because, well, balanced. If you can't slice directly into the pan, please use your chopping board to avoid stories that touch the heart. After slicing, I mix everything nicely and cover the pan so it can start cooking and mind its business. Joy, 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 in my heart is singing. A few minutes later, I open it up, give it a stir, and now is the seasoning moment. Go in with my minced peppercorn, salt, a little dry pepper, seasoning cube, and some chicken stock. I'm an African woman. I like tasty salt. So if you don't like chicken stock in your zucchini, you can do without. But for me and my household, I like tasty zucchini sauce. So I always have chicken stock or meat stock in my fridge in case I'm cooking something that does not require me to add beef or chicken. So I'll just use the stock. You get what I mean? To add extra flavor and make it popping. And that being said, I stir nicely together like my ancestors are watching me. Then I cover it again to cook. While that is bubbling away, I put another pot on the stove with the water for the pasta. Cover it, let it boil. We are multitasking today. Back to the zucchini sauce. I open the pan, stir again, taste it, listen. It was already given chef kiss, but not fully cooked yet. So I cover it back because patience is key. Once my pasta water finally boils, I add salt and throw in the pasta. As a African woman, I measure with my eyes. Give it a quick stir and let it cook. I like my pasta a little firm, not too soft. So once it's halfway cooked, I start scooping it directly into the zucchini sauce, like I'm rescuing it from the pot. After that, I stir everything together, add a little pasta water for that sticky touch. Stir together nicely and cover it to let the flavor gossip and blend. 2 minutes later, I open the pan again, stir and add my cheese. Because cheese fits everything, I give it one last taste and oh, everything is cooked perfectly. The pasta is not too soft. The sauce is beautiful and the combination pure deliciousness. Chef mode activated. This is fresh. This is tasty. Like the combo of everything, even the dry pepper, everything mixed together. That's Africa Italian vibe. The combo makes sense. So not every time you cook tomato sauce with pasta for your kids. Let tomatoes breathe. Cook zucchini with pasta and your children will thank you for it. If you watch up to these minutes, don't forget to like, comment, share, turn up your notification bell, and thank you all. See you on my next video. I love you.